Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox widescreen on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video to the end not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to have Roblox closed and then you're going to search for Roblox player. Then right click on it and go to open file location, and then from here you're going to go to properties. Now you're going to go to compatibility settings. Then from here, you're going to make sure to run this program in compatible mode for Windows 8, run this program as administrator, and disable full screen optimization. Once you do that and you click apply, then you're going to run compatibility troubleshooter because that can solve many of the issues that are going through with this application. And then you're going to try recommended settings and then test the program. Now, if that doesn't work, then finally what you can do is you're going to check for your driver's update, and that happens mostly for people with NVIDIA graphics cards or AMD. So from here, if you have NVIDIA, you're going to search for NVIDIA GeForce or the GeForce Experience. And then from here, once it loads, it will open for you this interface, and as you can see, you have Roblox right here. So you're going to go to the drivers, and then as you can see, there's a new available driver to update. Simply click on download or check for updates. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.